Turkey is a transcontinental country located in crossroad of Europe and Asia. Some portion of their territory geographically divided between at least two continents geographically புவியியல் ரீதியாக territory பிரதேசம் two continents இரண்டு கண்டங்களாக 97% of Turkey land area is in Asian continent, 3% of Turkey land area is in European continent. Turkey was found in 1923. Population of Turkey is 86 million. Capital of Turkey is Ankara. Largest city in Turkey is Istanbul. Key information about Turkey. Geography. புவியியல் bordered by Bulgaria, Greece, Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Iran, Iraq and Syria with coastal lines Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea and Aegean Sea. Government and economy, a parliamentary republic, meaning citizens elect a legislature, parliament, and executive branch, government, is formed from accountable to that parliament, typically led by a prime minister with a separate often ceremonial president as head of state. Formed government needs parliament's confidence to rule, can be removed by a vote of a no confidence, allowing for responsive yet potentially and stable governance. மக்களால் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்ட அரசாங்கம் பாராளுமன்றத்தின் மூலமாக நம்பிக்கை வாக்கெடுப்பின் மூலமாக வாக்களிக்கப்பட்டு தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்ட அரசாங்கம் பலம் பொருந்தி இருக்கின்றனவா என்பதை சோதித்து பார்த்தல். Government and economy. Turkey is a member in NATO, NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, G20, Group of 20, G20 member உறுப்பினர்கள் roughly 85% of global GDP, gross domestic product, and 2/3 of world population. G20 is a premier intergovernmental forum for international economic cooperation, comprising 19 of world's largest economies. Turkey has major economy based on tourism, textiles, and agriculture. Tourism, சுற்றுலா தலங்கள், textiles, ஜவுளி, துணி வகைகள், ஆடை வகைகள். அக்ரிகல்ச்சர், விவசாயம். பொருளாதாரம் இவை மூன்றும் சார்ந்தது. துருக்கி நாட்டில் கல்ச்சர் அண்ட் பீப்புள் 99% of population is Muslim. Turkish is official language. Kurdish, Arabic are the languages spoken in Turkey. Key cities: Istanbul, largest city. Ankara, capital of Turkey. Izmir, Antalya, Bursa. Tourism and landmarks. Famous for Istanbul's Grand Bazaar, Hagia Sophia, Holy Wisdom or Divine Wisdom. God in Orthodox Christianity, built as a cathedral in 537 AD. Later converted into mosque, then museum. Currently acts as a mosque again. Interesting facts about Turkey. History and origin. Country is a birthplace for Saint Nicholas, Santa Claus, and was a home to ancient city of Troy. வரலாற்று மற்றும் தொல்பொருள் நகரம் ஆகும். Unique exports. Turkey produces 70% of world's hazelnuts. Hazelnuts meaning chocolates or coconuts. These nutritious nuts are rich in healthy fats, protein and vitamins. Cultural habits. Highest tea consumers. Sports. The traditional national sports is oil wrestling. Coffee and cuisine. Turkey introduced coffee to Europe. Important distinctions. 97% of land is in Asia. It acts as a bridge to Europe and is often considered as a regional power bridging the two continents.